Hello, my name is Namuna Atgambatar. This is a presentation on how to use project control in the past for class Health Administration Policy 360, Spring 2017. The purpose of this project is to monitor the progress of the project as it's being completed, assess the risks of the project by checking progress against the original plan for both duration and cost, also address issues and discrepancies that can be identified. So we will use the data in this chart in order to obtain various calculations for this project. Using the previous data, we've created a tracking Gantt chart. We've completed the first three orders, obtaining list of patients, sampling patients, and printing survey tool. Obtaining list of patients and sampling them took longer than we've expected, and printing survey tools took the same amount of time as we have expected. To find the rate of performance, we have to calculate it through actual work divided by planned work. We've completed activities A, B, and C, but C is not on the critical path. Therefore, we're going to use activities A and B. To find the actual work, we're going to look at the completion duration in weeks. It's all in red. Activity A took 4 weeks and activity B took 2 weeks. We're just going to add it up. 4 plus 2 equals 6 weeks. To find the planned work, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to look at the planned duration for activity A and the planned duration for activity B. Add it up, 2 plus 1 equals 3 weeks. To find the rate of performance, we have to divide the actual work by planned work. In this example, it would be 6 divided by 3 equals 2 or 200% for rate of performance. Other useful information for a project manager to know is that estimated time for a project to end. To find it, we have to use planned duration multiplied by rate of performance. To find the planned duration, we just have to find the difference between total number of weeks and the total number of weeks that are not on the critical path. To find the total number of weeks, we have to look at the column that is in red and add it all up, which gives us 17 weeks in total. As we can see in the slide, activities C and G are not on the critical path, and planned duration for these activities are in red. 3 plus 2 equals 5 weeks that are not on the critical path. So, to find the planned duration, we found that the total number of weeks is 17 and the total number of weeks that are not on the critical path is 5. It gives us a total of 12 weeks for the planned duration. To find the estimated project end, we have to multiply planned duration by rate of performance, which is 12 weeks multiplied by 2 equals 24 weeks. And to find the anticipated delay at the end of the project, we just have to find the difference between estimated project end and planned duration. And in this example, it would be 24 minus 12 equals 12 weeks of anticipated delay in the end of the project. To find the original budget estimate, we just have to add up the expenditure column, which is all in red. When you add it up, it gives us a total of $31,500. In this project, we did not have enough information to find the current project budget estimate. To find it, we would need how much money or budget they have spent on the project thus far. Through this activity, I've learned how to measure the performance and importance of data collection and keeping it up to date and managing expectations of the project. And thank you for watching and have a nice day.